Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the all-new iPhone 16 Pro Max. I've unboxed the iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Plus, as well as the iPhone 16 Pro, and we're down to the last phone, which is this phone, iPhone 16 Pro Max. On the front of the box, we have the iPhone 16 Pro Max front screen. On the top and bottom of the box, we have the Apple logo. On the left side, as well as the right side, we have iPhone written. And this is usually how the boxes are all the time. I just go through it just in case you guys want to see the little details of the phone itself and the box. On the top, it says iPhone 16 Pro Max, designed by Apple in California. It says that it includes the iPhone 16 Pro Max as well as the USB-C charge cable. However, the power adapter and headphones are sold separately, as well as hearing aid is compatible with this phone. This is the lowest storage that it can be in. The one thing that I dislike about this iPhone 16 Pro Max is that the lowest gigs that you could get on this was 256. However, the Pro model 128 was the lowest. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the one that I was gonna get is the 256, so the Pro and the Pro Max models are all in the right storage. That's what I wanted to get. But some people might not want 256, and I'm just wondering why they only have 256 as the lowest and there's no 128. So if you do know the reason for that, comment down below, because I do think that a lot of people would not like to get a higher storage and they would like to have a little cheaper price for 128 gigs. Let's open this up. I will say though that the way that this packaging opens now is not satisfying. I've unboxed the 16, 16 Plus, and the 16 Pro, and it is very unsatisfying to open. Like, I don't really have that much fun when opening these iPhones anymore. I get that they want to make it environmentally friendly. We do also have to understand that, like, the people who are purchasing this product, they want quality starting from the box down to the actual item. I really hope that next year it's going to be a little more fun and satisfying to open rather than simple, boring, and kind of hard. Like I said, I also did buy the iPhone 16 Pro, so side by side, they're the exact same phone, it's just one is smaller and one is bigger. From the looks of it, this one will be my husband's, this one will be mine, little matchy-matchy moment, but it is a gorgeous color. These iPhones are incredible, like the color itself is gorgeous. And my husband actually has the 12 Pro Max, so he really does need an upgrade. So if any of you are thinking that you need an upgrade from the iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, definitely consider taking the phone out. The back of the phone has the Apple symbol on it. We have 3 of our cameras with the flash, the sensor, as well as the microphone or speaker. I say this in every single one of my videos. I cannot remember if this is the microphone or speaker. It's tiny, so it might as well be one or the other. On the bottom, we have our USB-C port. As last year, we also only had the USB-C port. There's no more Lightning port. We have our speaker, our microphone, as well as the 2 screws. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 antenna bands. On the right side of the phone, we have our power on and off, our camera control button. The left side, we have our SIM card tray, we have the volume down, volume up, as well as the action button. On the screen protector that it gives us, we also have symbols on here. Over here, we have a bell symbol with a slash, we have a plus, we have a minus, we have a lightning symbol, we have a power symbol, as well as we have a camera symbol. So all these symbols are to indicate which these buttons are in case you don't know what they are. So they're little symbols to identify what they are. And let's turn the phone on. And we're going to take a look at the box. I will say before I show you guys, I'm very disappointed with the box this year. Not only we don't have an adapter or even earbuds, which I was okay with, now we don't even have an Apple sticker. So I'm not sure why they took out the Apple stickers. I really wish they didn't, because I'm a collector and every single year that I would get iPhones, I would collect those stickers. So unfortunately, that is not the case this year, because all we have is our USB-C to USB-C cable with our SIM eject tool, as well as some instructions. So even the Pro and Pro Max models don't even come with an Apple sticker, so that is very unfortunate. I really wish at least the Pro models came with it, but I guess they're trying to be equal, but still not fair from the price we paid. Like, it's not that hard to put like a 50-cent sticker in there. Anyways, I am a childcare educator, so I do take my stickers very seriously. Let's set up the phone. English, Canada. Appearance, we can have either default, medium, or large. I prefer just the default, so continue. Quick start, set up later, choose a network. I'll quickly get our Wi-Fi and I'll be right back. Data and privacy, continue. Set up iPhone, I'm gonna set up for myself. Face ID, let's go ahead and set up our Face ID. I'm in the frame. How low does it want me to be? I do this every single year, guys. Set up later in settings. We don't really wear masks anymore, so Face ID is now set up. Create a password, we're just gonna do 2s. Use anyways, I am gonna switch it right after, but this is just for the sake of time. Don't transfer anything yet. I don't have an Apple account, I do, but we're just gonna set up later. Terms and conditions. Update your iPhone automatically. iMessage and FaceTime. Location services, not now. Set up cellular, later in settings. Screen time, continue. iPhone analytics, don't share. Light or dark display. This part is like a love-or-hate situation for me. It just depends on the day or time of the day. So for example, if it's light outside, of course I'm gonna do the light setting, but if it's dark outside, I definitely prefer dark setting. So I'd say auto for this one. Silent mode. And then we have our action button, which is this one. So let's customize this. So we can have silent mode, focus, camera, flashlight, voice memo, recognize music, translate, magnifier, shortcut, accessibility, or no action. I'm gonna put it to the basic silent mode, and then my husband will switch it if he decides he wants to. Camera control, which is this one, continue. This phone is so big that I need to like zoom out right now. Siri, let's continue. I've heard all the voices like 3-4 times today from all the other phones, so I'm just gonna go with the second. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message.
To who?
Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes starting now.
Hey Siri, get directions home. My Siri's going crazy. Hey Siri, oh my gosh. Siri, what's going on? Hey Siri, get directions home.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Hey Siri, get directions home.
You'll need to unlock.
Finally. Siri, play some music. Siri is ready. Continue. Improve Siri and dictation, not now. Emergency SOS, continue. And welcome to iPhone. Let's swipe up. So this is the action button. If we hold it, it's gonna silent. Hold it again, it's gonna go on ring. Then the camera. I heard in one of my comments that what this camera is also like, when you go up or down, it like zooms or something. Oh my god, they were right? What? Can I I guess you hold and do it. So you gotta like hold. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. Now you don't have to do this, so you don't have to touch your screen. You can just zoom in from here. That is so cool. And then you can click to open and click to, oh, you can even click to take the pictures. That is literally so cool. See, I had to unbox 4 different phones to find this out. So thanks for commenting. If you guys have any tips on the new phones, let me know, or if I'm missing any fun new features that they've added, because I would love to explore all the features. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.